Adrian, Sheen Complete Form and Fabric Care. Today we're sanitising in Burnham-on-Sea in an old pub. So a pub refurbishment company have called us out to sanitise this building, as there were some people living in the flat area above the pub. They had pets. As you can see, there's a lot of dog excrement in the wood itself, so we're coming back tomorrow to clean this up. But our main task today is to sanitise this whole building, give it a good sanitisation with an antimicrobial broad spectrum product which will carry on working up to 12 weeks later. It'll kill anything from HIV, MRSA, swine flu, norovirus. More importantly for this job, it's going to kill zoonotic disease, which is passed through from pets, passed through to humans. It can give them, well, not very good stomachs, put it that way. So we're going to have to clean all the plyboard, strip off these tiles on the surface. You can see there's a lot of excrement around here. There's also signs of blood on the carpet tiles. It's a little bit splashback, bit of splashback on skirting boards. More traces of excrement. I've already gone around with a black torch and it's highlighted up like Blackpool, I would say, where the urine soaked into the wood. You can see where it's soaked in anyway. I'm not going to get the black torch out and show you because it won't light up on the camera. You can see there's a lot of, around these areas here is evidence of where the urine soaked into the floor. But you can see these traces of dog excrement everywhere. There's quite a lot. There's more traces around here. There's a bit of blood just there on the floor, a little bit more blood. I'm not quite sure what that could be from. So my first job is to sanitise, to make it safe, so when the cleaners come in to clean, they can clean this. So as you can see, there's more traces of dog excrement, more around here. There's quite a lot, more evidence. The carpet tile soaking in, more dog excrement here. It looks like some more blood splatter on the floor just over there. And we're just going to go around to the main doorway area, so you can see where the urine's dribbled round by the baseboards. There's quite a lot more dog excrement along here. You can see the dog hairs stuck to it. So we've got to sanitise this room, give this a good sanitisation down, wipe the residue down after. It's quite a big building. This is our ULV fogging machine. This is the baby that sanitises. Expensive piece of equipment, but it does the job. Well, it's quite a big area, so I ain't going to worry about that. Adrian Mitchell, Sheen Complete Form and Fabric Care, sanitisation in a pub, Burnham-on-Sea.